Alright, so I got a brand new GTR that came in for a color change. This one looks like it's fresh off the lot. Looks super clean. The exhaust is getting a little bit of dust on the back of the car, and the owner wants to get the wrap to protect the paint. So let's have a step back here and look at this whole thing. That's very nice there. Okay, and then the hood, I got it propped up a little bit, so let's have a look at the hood. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a monster. This is twin turbo, I think, and that's very nice. Okay, so here we go, boys. Let's get started. Couldn't go to sleep without laying down at least one panel to see what this amazing color looks like. Thanks to Michelle, we got this hood laid out perfectly, and it's all ready to cut. See right there. When you have it like that on the edges is when it's ready to go to be cut. You don't want to cut it before that. But anyways, let's talk about this color. This color is amazing. It's a 3M color shift. It goes from purple to blue to have a little gold tint, depending on where you are and relative to what you're looking at. But yeah, look at that. This is gorgeous. So yeah, the whole car, or most of the car, is going to be this color. So this is going to be a fun project. Alright, so here's some progress for tonight for the GTR. And we got the hood with a matching fender and a matching door. Okay, so let's have a detailed look here. As you can see, the color looks very dark when you're looking directly at it, but at an angle it is bronze and purple. So this is a very cool color shifting. The door handle needs to be cut out still, but look at that. Right there, that fender just looks amazing. The way it just curves and it catches the light. This is looking awesome. Alright, so once everything is off of the door and the fender vents are out, this is very easy to do. So tomorrow we're going to do that quarter panel and then flip the car around, or actually do the front bumper. satisfying thing ever. Check this out. Alright, here we go. Most satisfying thing in the world. Okay, this is all uncut. And then watch. Take this string. Look at that. And then turn that off. There you go. Clean cut. How awesome is that, huh? Alright guys, so this is the last part of the GTR that I'm wrapping. Saving the best part for last, of course. The iconic circle taillights. Man, I love these taillights. Look at that ass. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so gonna be wrapping this diffuser part under here in a gloss black that has a metallic flake to it. So it's like a you'll see what it looks like when I do the whole walk around video. But yeah, so took the wing off, and the number of different pieces that this back bumper has to be done in is a little bit ridiculous. So there's right here where the tail light is. This whole portion that's by the trunk needs to be its own piece, just because it's making a lot of bends when you go up here. Second, I'm gonna try. I saw a video of a guy that did the tail lights in one piece, so you can just push it in and wrap it into here. So we'll put some primer 94 down in here just to make sure the tail light part sticks. But 3M's pretty good, and we'll get started after I do this little section on the inlay here. Just because when you're pushing into these corners, it might not stick over time, so we want to make sure that there's longevity in the wrap that I do. So anyway, let's finish this up, huh? It'll be loud. No doubt on that. What's up, guys? Is that why we don't get many rap videos?